What's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and in today's video we're going to run through a plumber in Boise, Idaho, who we've had for a very long time, but their campaign's pretty dialed in and does really well. And we're going to look at the last full 30 days it ran, which was January. Alright, so what you're looking at right now is inside the client's campaign. We just go into the campaign level here. We'll run through some statistics. They're running a $91 a day budget. Last 30 days, they got 65 clicks, 2,500 impressions, 2.52% click-through rate, which is not that great, to be honest. Average cost per click is about $28, actually about $29. Total cost for the month they spent was $1,881. In return for that, they've gotten 24 leads at a cost per lead of $78 and a conversion rate of 36%, which is very pleased with that. Now the volume, obviously, we got to get the cost per conversion down a little bit because I need more lead volume in this. Ideally, I want to be around 30 a month. If we go up here, we can actually look at the conversion actions. You can see phone call is our third-party call tracking. That's calls that just come from the website. So someone clicks an ad, goes to the website, and either clicks to call on their phone or they just pick up their phone and dial from the website. So we've gotten 12 of those phone calls. Contact forms, we've gotten 2 contact form submissions, and call extensions, we've gotten 10. So this is a majority of phone calls, inbound phone calls for the client, which is what we want. If you watched any of my videos before, you know we don't really want contact form submissions because they ghost people and they're hard to get a hold of. We want phone calls and that opportunity to make the sale quickly. Alright, so if we go into the campaign, we can see our ad groups here. And really simple, it's just our geo ad group for Boise, our brand ad group here, which is for the client's name. We have plumbers on call, plumbing services, plumbing company, plumbing contractors. These are all sending leads. So this is a very small campaign. It's not really built out too much because the budget's $90 a day, so there's only so much we can do. And we're looking for that 30% plus conversion rate in this guy's campaign, which we got 36, so we're happy with that. If we go into keywords, you're going to see here we're running some broad match and exact match and phrase. So we're doing a little bit of all three here, and the quality is actually really good. But again, we've had this guy for over 2-3, it's actually probably 4 years now. So his negative list is ridiculous. If we go into the negative list, you can see here it's just very, very fleshed out. So that's why we're able to run broad match successfully in this guy's campaign, because the negative list is filled with all the possible competitors in their location and all kinds of the stuff that you wouldn't really think to negative. We just get it through the search term data over the course of this time. So he's good. He's happy. We're happy that works for everybody. But this is just wanted to run through this with you guys quickly, just show you a successful plumbing campaign. Obviously, I can't show you the ads or the landing page, but the landing page is, if you've seen my other videos where I go through landing pages, very basic. It's got your header, call to action, contact form right in the top header, and then it lists their services, a couple of reviews, talks about the areas they service, and then it's a final call to action, and that's it. So most of these leads are mobile. That's why they're phone calls. So if we go back into devices, yeah, we're actually only running mobile traffic. So all 65 clicks were from mobile devices, and that's why we got that nice conversion rate. Desktop, it hasn't really converted well. I feel like for desktop traffic with Google, and this is just my opinion based on things I've seen running client campaigns, desktop traffic works better if you're sending the traffic to an actual built-out full website. Landing pages for desktop traffic never really do that well for us, so that's why we mostly focus on mobile traffic, because number one, we want the phone calls, and number two, they convert much higher. So that's why we do that. But maybe that's a tip that you guys can test if you're having an issue with your landing pages and you can't get desktop conversions. If they have a decent website, your client or yourself, try sending the desktop traffic to a fleshed out full website. I feel like on desktop people want to like search and browse around the site more, and not just call for a quick solution like when you're on your phone. So that's probably why, if I had to guess. But yeah, just a little tip for you guys. All right, so that's all I got for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out the links in the description. All right, guys, bye.